Guys, get. Stella, who's it from?
Grandma Mary and Papa Dick.
Yay! Are those bugles?
I love bugles.
Yay! You want some?
Yeah.
All sorts of Halloween goodies. Kohler, what is that? Oh, is that a popcorn
Mommy,
ball?
look, I get free.
Awesome! What do you tell Grandma Mary and Papa Dick?
Thank you.
Kohler, what do you tell them?
Thank you.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Halloween.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Open.
Open. Open. Okay, hold on. Okay, can you say goodbye?
Goodbye. Bye.
Thanks, Grandma Mary and Papa Dick. Bye-bye.